We're going to start out with 2 slabs and an extruded piece of clay, and we are going to make a base and a lid with our slabs for our clay. Now this handy dandy yogurt cup is just about the right size to be a little bit larger than our circle, so we're going to use this as a template to cut a circle. We're going to put it down near the edge. You don't want to use the middle because you'll waste a bunch of clay. And the best tool to use for this, we'll have to share, but is the needle tool. And if you want to try to hold it straight up and down, if you hold it at an angle, you're going to really slice into the bottom of the base. So straight up and down like a soldier, you're going to move him around the cup all the way. You may want to go a couple of times just to make sure you got it through clearly. And once you're done, you can peel this rest away. You're going to need to save it. Don't wad it up. And you have the base ready. And then go ahead and cut your lid to the side. Now, we're going to want to score and slip the base on. So scoring is boring, but I make lots of lines. You're going to score all along the bottom of this. Once you're done scoring, add a little water, and we're going to lightly press it down on our base. And the water's going to leave a little spot that you can see, and now you can score along. You can use your needle tool. You can use one of these wooden tools also. You're going to score along the little wet circle that was left. Now you're ready to add some slip to here. You've scored both sides. You've got some slip, and now you can press it down, line it up, give it a little squeeze down. And do your best to blend these. What I'm doing with this tool is pulling a little bit from the base, since it's a little softer clay, and pulling it up towards the extruded form to blend those. Now we're going to use the bottom side of this little cup because it will fit in here. We're going to attach it to the bottom of the lid to hold it in place. I'm going to do the same thing as before, where I'm going to score and slip on both sides. Now that I've scored, I'm going to add my slip, which is, we're just using water today. Give it a press down and smooth that together. This little tiny circle is going to keep the lid from flying off your jar. There you go. Now for the fun part. For the rest of class, you're going to take your time to smooth everything out and add features onto your robot. So you probably want to add some sort of feature coming out of the top. You can use a coil. Maybe this will serve 2 purposes. You want to kind of have some fun sort of antenna for your robot, but also it's going to be later a way for you to remove the handle. It's going to be a handle.